Hello, everyone, and welcome to your daily AI news update. Today is Monday, November 17th, 2025. First up, there's exciting news from the medical world. A company called Philips has introduced a new AI tool called Device Guide. This tool helps doctors during tricky heart valve repair operations. For us, this means heart surgeries can become safer and more precise. It's especially good news for people who might be too weak for traditional open-heart surgery, offering them a vital new treatment option. Next, something surprising in healthcare communication. A new study found that AI chatbots are often seen as more caring and understanding than human doctors. Patients consistently rated these AI tools as warmer and clearer in their text messages. This could lead to better online medical advice and support, making us feel more heard and understood when we're seeking information about our health. On a more serious note, there are growing concerns about how generative AI is being used for harmful purposes. Reports show that groups like the Islamic State are using this advanced AI to create fake news, deepfake videos, and even synthetic news anchors. This makes it much harder for all of us to tell what's real and what's fake online. It can spread misleading information and create confusion, so we need to be extra careful about what we see and believe on the internet. Let's turn to some truly hopeful news. Artificial intelligence is making huge strides in finding new medicines. AI tools are now helping scientists discover and design new drug compounds much faster by quickly sifting through vast amounts of data. This is fantastic because it means we could get new treatments and cures for diseases much more quickly than before. It speeds up the entire process from scientific idea to practical solutions for our health. Finally, let's talk about customer service. A recent report by Twilio revealed that many businesses think their AI customer service are doing a great job, but their customers don't always agree. There's a significant gap between what companies believe about their AI customer service and how satisfied people actually are. This tells us that while AI is becoming common in customer service, it still has a long way to truly understand and help us. It highlights the need for companies to improve these tools so they can actually solve our problems and make our experiences better. That's it for now. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Isabella Yuha, helping people feel confident with new technology.